Now we will start with the next type of series, and this series is continuous pattern series. Now in this continuous pattern series, it is a series of small letters which follows a certain pattern by their repetitive occurrences. So these small alphabets or small letters, they repeat themselves in a specific pattern, and we have to identify that pattern. Uh, they give us some sequence of small letters in which that pattern is followed with some missing letters. You can read, we find the missing letters which complete the sequence. So usually in question they give a sequence of these small letters with some blank spaces, and we have to fill those blank spaces with the correct alternative which will complete that continuous pattern series. So we will study this series with some examples so you will understand this topic more easily. We'll start with the first example. You can see a series is given of small letters, blank space BCC, blank space AC, blank space AABB, blank space AB, blank space CC. And you can see there are 4 blank spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and options are given. 4 options are given with this 5 letters. So which option will be correct to complete this series? Now best way to solve this type of example is to quickly try every alternative and to find out the pattern of their repetition. So what I will do, I will write this alphabet again, blank space, then B, C, C, blank space, A, C, blank space, A, B, B, blank space, A, B, blank space, C, C. So now we will try every alternative. We'll start with the first alternative. Suppose I put these letters at these blank spaces. So if I put A here, then A here, B, C and A. Does they make any pattern? So it is A, B, C, C, A, C, B, A, B, B, C. So you can see there is no specific pattern is followed. Now we'll try with the second alternative. If I put A, B, A, C, A. So now don't consider this first alternative. We'll start with this. So here you can see A, B, C, C, B, A, C, A, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, C. So again no specific repetition pattern is followed. So again we will not consider this option. We'll go with the third one. So B, A, C, A, B. Now you can see the series will be BB, CC, AA, CC, AA, BB, AA, BB, CC. That means this pattern will be like this: BB, CC, AA, then CC, AA, BB, AA, BB, CC. So now you can see there is a pattern of their repetition. So, and we got this pattern by putting this third alternative on these blank spaces. So our answer will be third one, that is BACAB. So as you can see, to correct way of finding answer is to try every alternative, but it should be quick. Now we'll go for second problem. Here you can see sequence is given: A, B, blank space, AA, blank space, CAAB, blank space, C, blank space, ABB, blank space, C. So again what we'll do, we will try every alternative. First I will write this sequence. So it will be like this: AB, blank space, AA, blank space, CAAB, blank space, C, blank space, ABB, blank space, C. Total there are 5 blank spaces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and alternatives are given with the 5 small letters. So now again we will try with every alternative. So first alternative will put here B, B, C, A, A. So you can see A, B, B, A, A, B, C, A, A, B, C, C. So they are not following any pattern. So our first answer will be, or our first option will not be appropriate. Now we'll try for the second one: B, C, B, C, A. So here A, B, B, A, A, C, C, A, A, B, B, C, C, A, B, B, A, C. So again there is no repetition pattern followed. So we'll go with the third one: C, A, B, A, C. So here you can see A, B, C, again A, C, A, B, B, C, A, B, B, C, C. So again there is no any repetition pattern is observed. Now we will put this 4 alternative: C, B, B, A, C. Now you can see the series becomes A, B, C, then A, B, C, then A, B, B, C, then A, B, B, C, C. So the pattern of repetition is created like this. First there is ABC, then there is AABC, AABC, then AABBC, AABBC, then AABBCC. So first you can check all letters are appearing once, then first letter comes twice, rest 2 are appearing once, then first 2 letters are coming twice, and third one is appearing once, and in the last all 3 are appearing twice. So in this way, if we put fourth option CBBAC, we will get a correct continuous pattern. Now we will study some of the examples that were asked in previous year exams. Now we will solve these 3 problems which were asked in previous NTSC exams. We will start with first problem. You can see AB blank space, AB blank space, AAA blank space, BB, then AAA blank space, BBBB. So what I will do, I will write this sequence again: AB blank space, AB blank space, AAA blank space, BB, AAA blank space, and 4 times B. So here you can try every option, but instead of that, if you just observe some pattern or you just apply your logic, you can easily guess the answer. Here you can see that A is coming 3 times. Here you can see that B is coming 4 times. So if we just apply some our logic and we try to guess that what may be this blank spaces, if we think that if this B is coming 4 times here, then A also should come 4 times here. So I will try to put A here. Here you can see if this A is coming thrice, we can guess that B should also come thrice. So if I put B here, so this will be 3 times B. Now in the same way, here B is coming 4 times, A is coming 4 times, B coming 3 times, A coming 3 times, then it must be B coming 2 times. So here I will try to put B. And then here it must be A coming 2 times. So now we can observe the pattern, that is AB, then AABB, that means 2 times A, 2 times B, AAABBB, 3 times A, 3 times B, and then 4 times A, 4 times B. So this ABBA completes our pattern. So ABBA is our second option. This question was asked in NTSC 2017. Now we'll go for the next. C blank space BBA blank space CAB blank space AC blank space AB blank space AC. So here there are no much repetition of words. So we'll just go with our method to try for every option. I will write this again. C blank space BBA blank space CAB blank space AC blank space AB blank space AC. Now I will try first option. I will put A here, I will put C here, I will put B here, C, and here B. If you try to find, or if you try to look at this series, if I make group of 3 alphabets, here it is CAB, next 3 alphabets are BAC, that means this B is going here and this C is going here. So we are getting BAC. Now here it is again CAB, that means again this C is going here and this B is going here. So same method is followed, that is BAC, CAB, BAC. So here we got our answer in the first option only. By putting this value, they are completing this sequence. This question was asked in NTSC 2015. So there is no need to try other 3 options as we are getting answer in the first option itself. So just don't need to waste your time. Now we'll go for the third question. In third question, instead of A and B, alpha and beta is given. So again I will write this alpha beta blank space alpha alpha blank space beta 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 blank space alpha 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 and blank space. Now here there are some repetitions. Just try to find out what may be the logic used here. You can see here alpha is coming 4 times, here beta is coming 3 times, here alpha is 2 times, and here beta is 1 time. So if I put alpha here, that will make alpha 5 times. If I put beta here, that will make beta 4 times. So here it was alpha, it was coming 5 times, beta was coming 4 times. So in this way, here I have to put alpha. So now this alpha will be repeat itself 3 times. Now 5, 4, 3, here must be this beta must be coming twice. So here I have to put beta, and this alpha is only 1 time. So by observing only the repetition, we guess the answer beta alpha, beta alpha. So our second option is correct. So in this way, by trying every alternative quickly or by guessing the pattern, you can write the answer of this type of questions. Here to explain you, I was using every alternative, or I was writing every alternative, but instead of that you can put every alternative in just your mind and you can find the pattern quickly or in a very short time. So here there is the end of this topic, continuous pattern series. Now only one type of series is remaining, and that is alphanumeric series, that we'll study in next lecture. Thank you.